Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So a new update was made for the AutoBlog Iframe Extension plugin, and starting from now it is able to use SEO friendly URLs for the posts that are shown with the iframe. So let me show you what this means. So until now you had to create a custom URL and the plugin will redirect all posts to that specific URL. If you check this, the AutoBlog Iframe Extensions plugins previous tutorial video, you will see what I mean. But now this is just an optional alternative. So this means that the location URL of the shortcode, of this shortcode, will be optional. So you can leave this settings field blank, and if you leave this blank, then the exact URLs will be used which were generated for each post for showing the iframe that will embed the content of imported posts. So I will go ahead and show you guys what this means. So let's go to Newsomatic and import some example posts. Let's check our site first. It is empty. And let's go to Newsomatic and, for example, let's get one post from ABC News without any extra settings. Just go ahead and import it and refresh our site. So here it is. As you can see now, the URL part of the post will be located exactly on this site. So this is the title, featured image, and here you will see the iframe embed that the AutoBlog Iframe Extension plugin generated. So you can see the URL, it is exactly the same as it was generated originally by Newsomatic. And when the content is displayed by users, the AutoBlog Iframe Extension plugin will kick in and it will use the iframe to go and display directly the content from the source website. So this will not make the content be copied to your site, but display it directly from source, and you will benefit from its results. Okay, so keep in mind how you enable this alternative version of feature functionality, that you will leave this settings field blank, and if that settings field is blank, that the plugin will use the URLs of posts instead of redirecting to the URL you enter here and displaying the posts in iframes there. Okay, so this is all for this update. I hope this update will grant you more results from these plugins and these plugins combinations. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell notification, because I release a video each day at 8 p.m. GMT here on this YouTube channel. So stay subscribed and stay notified. Thank you for getting to the end of this video. Until next time, stay safe. Have a great day. Bye bye.